welcome back to Naturally Corporate. So I am very much a novice when it comes to eyeshadows. I think eyeshadow palettes are beautiful. They can be intimidating to me with all of the colors, and my struggle is knowing which shades to pair together. Do I just use one shade? Do I use two? Do I use three? And how to make them all just look beautiful and seamless and go together. For example, this Afrique palette by Juvia's Place, which is what I have on my eyes now, which is what I used to create this look. The shadows are beautiful. They're so pretty. Some of them are bold and some of them are not so bold. And I typically fall in that not so bold category. And I would very well tend to stick with the neutrals in this palette because I'm a neutral kind of girl. But I know that there's so many more options that can come out of this palette. So with that being said, this video is actually a collaboration with my YouTube friend, Natural Ray Ray. She and I are both using this same palette. This is the Afrique palette by Juvia's Place. We're using the same palette but creating two different looks. She is creating a daytime look, so perhaps a softer look. And I'm giving you a little bit more dramatic flair. So what I want to do is show you how I achieved this look using this palette. And then right after that, stay on because Ray Ray is going to show you the look that she created with the same palette. So I hope you enjoy. Okay, are y'all feeling this look? Because I really am for sure. All right, now let's get ready to see what Natural Ray Ray has in store for us. And please remember to stop by her YouTube channel. She has amazing natural hair content with a little bit of lifestyle thrown in too. Let's check out her look. right, friends, so what do you think about this palette? And what do you think about the looks that you just saw? Don't be afraid to leave a comment, whether good, bad, or ugly, you know. Just let me know your thoughts about the palette overall, the colors, and the looks that you just saw by myself and Natural Ray Ray. And let me just tell you this, I am feeling pretty proud of myself because going into this video, I didn't practice my look. You know, I have used this palette before, but the colors that I used today, I didn't put them all together the previous time that I've used this palette. So I'm feeling really happy. I think my look came out very nice. I like the colors that I put together. I think they go well with my the dress that I'm wearing. And this is a dress with lots of rich, pretty colors. But yeah, I really like the way my look came out. I think this palette is so versatile and so many looks can be achieved with it. So thank you for watching. Like I said, please leave a comment for me. Just give me some feedback on the video. I sincerely appreciate you. And I really like this palette. This is my second palette from Juvia's Place. And again, me being a novice with eyeshadow, I have about maybe 4 palettes. I have about 5 palettes in my collection, which is way more than I thought I would ever even have at one time. And I do like to use all of them, but I like this palette. I really do like it. And the warmer months are here, spring and summer, you know, where we tend to wear more vibrant colors. So this palette is great for that. I think if you want to just pair it with some of your spring and summer attire. All right, thank you so much for watching. I appreciate you. Until next time, keep it naturally corporate.